Hello, fellow traders. I came at you intraday today because I was at the post, and what I saw I liked. Within the first hour and a half of trading, we did half of our volume today. That was the big down leg. We basically traded sideways all day, up and down, chalked in our other half of volume. Beautiful scenario, just what you want to see. We didn't close under 8,400, but the NASDAQ still pulled off its 200-day moving average that our fellow trader pointed out the other night. I want to go over that too about, I don't like looking at too many things because everything kind of runs in a herd, and sometimes you'll kind of change your mind on your gut feeling and what you're really taking in and feeling, what's going on. Just like I want to go over something else I talked about today with my partner about shorting stocks and how these traders and brokerage houses make their profits and money. I've been trading for a long time, going on 12, 13 years, and I only recently started shorting stocks about 2 years ago after the crash had started. Big lots up at 35. You heard me go over some of my trades, and that's when I really started to maximize my gains as a trader. I wasn't waiting to re-enter and to build positions. I was taking advantage of both days, like when I told you when everything ramped. GE from 20 to 30, lows from 21 to 29. I was shorting lows, and something else I shorted that morning. It was, that's a gift. You got 5 points by the next day. But anyhow, what I'm saying is, when they run the market up, the broad masses make money, where the brokerage houses and the traders, they're making money too, but they're not moving it from your account to their account. See, everybody's values are just going up. But then when they drive it down, only a select few are short, mainly the professionals and the ones that catch on like us and have the capital to be short. And that's another, good point I made today. Just like the Buffett touting the banks, he's nervous. We've had a good run. The masses made money. It's time for them to squeeze the masses now and get more money into their account. What I have up here is the Dow, and why I have this up today. Remember this new uptrend we had going on here, where we broke the uptrend and we've been kind of battling it. Look at what happened today. We kissed this one and closed on this one. We stayed right in between this V where these cross right here. And I drew this because we went up and kissed the top right here before our big shakeout. We found support after the November lows. This is huge right here, like I said. Why I drew this line? Because we're guaranteed this. we're definitely coming down to here, probably quick, to the 78.80 level. I'm going to go over the IYR real quick, and because the IYR broke down through a key support level today, and I'll tell you, if this hammers down to the 78.80 and we get some momentum on the IYR, because that's up so much more, we could really see a good climb in SRS on that move down to 78.80. So this is a little bright over here, but I'm going to close this out on the IYR. This red line right here is 33.75, and why I was focused on that today, and I was happy to see us break through it here first thing this morning, and then it battled it all day. We briefly shot up above it at the end of the day. Because at 33.75, you come back to right here on 4:30. It briefly was above it and then couldn't hold it. You come back again right here on 4:24. It was briefly above it again and couldn't hold it, and then that was it. You can go back 25, 30 days. Right here it came close, 33.30. So this 33.75 support broken on the IYR is great. We already know the banks are going to get crushed with Warren Buffett coming out trying to, explain and convince. Bear sign right there. And I want to close this out tonight. With my business I own, if I went out and showed everybody how to do what I do and all my secrets and everything, that would hurt my business and hurt my profits. And this is what I love about trading and being a trader, and why I'm working to be a trader full time, is because we can share all our secrets. And we all know 2 heads are better than 1, 3 heads, 4 heads, 20 heads if they're all sane, good heads. No losers, no smack talking, bringing real stuff to the table. We can really move some money to our account, and everybody can, is what's great. It doesn't mean that there's less stock available. We can all buy, we can all sell. Just the later ones make a little less. So tomorrow, let's look for a continuation down on this GM news, on this stress test. I agree with one of our posters. He pretty much hit it right on the nut. Up day Monday, topping out Tuesday, Wednesday, down Thursday and Friday. He's called it right so far, and I agree. Let's see this down leg tomorrow. Let's get to that 78.80 fast. Good luck.